Good morning, this is Howie, and I'm here to help you win with money. This is the weekend edition. Today is December 12th, 2020. Just a quick market recap. Dow was slightly up, mostly due to Disney impacting the index by about 100 points, I believe. Over 100 points because Disney was up $20 per share. But the rest of the indexes are down, and you can see S&P is down for the third day. But it's not a big deal. If you look at the S&P right here, you can see I just looked at the last couple of days. You can see the close, and here you go. So on the 8th, it was 3,700. Then it closed down, down, and down again. Not a big difference. It's a 40-point move. Not that big deal. You can see it, even the uptrend. A couple weeks ago, we were in the 3,600, 3,500. So to break 37, I believe that was an all-time high. So that's a good thing. So today's edition is just the ETrade transaction log. So let me just get right to it. Here you go. Open my spreadsheet. I'm going to get ready to paste. I believe I always forget this every time. I don't even remember. I think I pasted in that cell where I put the X. So let me go grab the data. Because I haven't copied data in for the last 2 days, I need to grab the data from the 10th and the 11th and whatever expired on the 12th. So I'm going to copy those and paste. Switch back here and paste. Okay, that looks good. Now, hang on a sec. I got more to copy in. Okay, let me just grab these. And I think I said the 10. And I need to grab the 10. So that goes to here. And then I got to delete those useless rows, as always. Okay, and then I paste over here. Now, the next thing I normally do is, let me just clean this up real quick. And you guys seen the routine already. I got to massage the data, put them in the right cells, and then everything else will work on its own. So let me do the magic of editing, and it will come right back. Okay, so let's now filter on the things that we need to delete. Here you go. These were the ones that I just pasted in. You can see that. The adjustments, I normally don't care about adjustments. How many adjustments do I have? I have no idea why these are here. But okay, I deleted that. The last thing I need to do is get rid of all the transfers. So you see I pasted those in today. You can tell by the data. So I want to delete the transfers. And then I think we're good. Now I need to fix what type it was. I just go up here. You see I normally just do a quick filter. That's how I check it real quick. And then just double check on the other side. Make sure none of these are wrong, because then my pivots will work and it look like everything's good. Last thing I do is unfilter and fix the text. So I'll do that. Okay, let's do that. Let's fix the text here. We'll set the text. Do that. Fix this. Numeric. Align it. So we'll go over here. And this is our monthly data. Here you go. I'm going to hit the refresh button, and there you go. Let's update it. And let's see how we're doing for the month. It's not bad. If you scroll up here like this, 1,300. I am a little bit behind, but I'm okay with that for right now. So if I know every time I do a video, I sort of track this so you can sort of see the numbers. I'm going to hit the refresh button. And actually, I think there was a mistake, but let me refresh this right now. Here you go. It went up. And I'll fix the mistake right now. I think I used the wrong type for my lemonade trade. I incorrectly marked it as something that it shouldn't be. So I need to go back here, put it in the right, into the right category. And they are not credit spreads. They were debit spreads, because I was going long on this, I believe. and I think I miscalled it. So that will impact the way a pivot works. That will not impact. So by having a wrong label, it's not a big deal. The numbers here, whoops, I gotta undo the filtering. The numbers here on this sheet will still be right. So there's no impact here because I don't use those labels for pivots. So I'll show you what I mean. You see how everything is still the same here? It only impacts the way this one works when you, so let's refresh it again. And then when you pop this open, here you go. There's the debit spread. So what this is telling you is, so far my lemonade trade is costing me $800. And I think I'm only up I'm up 1,000, but if you subtract out the 800, that means I'm only up 200. I think that's the math. Okay, so I'm just analyzing the data, and this month you see that I'm making up ground on the iron condors because I did close a whole bunch of them out and then started some new ones for January. But the thing that you're going to notice is my cover calls are not doing so well. And there's a reason for this. I just went back and looked at the raw data to see why am I not in the 1,000s by now. Because normally, right, we're 2 weeks in, I generally will be near the $1,000 mark. So there's a couple of reasons for this. One is there are some of my cover calls that went in the money. And what I ended up doing was I have to roll up and out, but I did not collect a net credit, which means it cost me money, cash out of my account to roll up. So what that do is it will offset these numbers here where the bought to cover will be higher than what I collected from the other trades that I did. So you can see the volume is, I mean, it's in line, I guess. I mean, I have to compare it to like the historical. But because of that, there was a couple sharp moves in the market that caused my cover calls not to perform so well. The good thing is this, I can make it up in other areas. And that's what I'm trying to do now, is trying to make it up in other areas to sort of offset some of the gains. So I think this month will be challenging. I don't think I'm going to hit those numbers, 5,000 this month. I just don't think so. I may be trailing, and cover calls will be hurting for maybe another 6 weeks or so. A lot of it depends on the market. So we'll see. We'll keep on tracking it. So this is what the data looks like at the end of the month. Hope you enjoyed this. Again, I copy my transaction from ETrade, transaction logs. I paste it into a pivot table. I then put it in here. I pivot my data so I can analyze my results and see how I'm doing. I hope you enjoy. Again, this is the weekend edition. All I do is show you my transactions and what expired. I think only 2 of my contracts expired worthless. The rest I rolled. So there was not a lot of stuff happening this week, but at least you get to see it. Again, one of the things I try to do is show my transaction log, pivot the data, put it into these monthly trackers, and then I also track it on a quarterly basis so you can see the data. And then you have some historical context to what works, what doesn't, and why. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. If you have any comments below, please do so. Tell me what you think. What are you buying? What are you looking at? As always, let's do this together. Let's do this $1 at a time and have a profitable day. Bye-bye.